So we have 4 to the power of t equal to 40. So for us to resolve this particular equation, we'll be taking the log of both sides, which will now give us log of 4 to the power of t equal to log of 40. But let's remember the logarithmic rule that says if log of n to the power of n, it will give us n times log of n. So let's apply this rule to this particular equation. We'll then be having this log of 4 to the power of t. But when we have this, the power becomes what? We'll now multiply. We'll now have t times log of 4, or equal to log of 40. Now from here, we can actually make t the subject of the formula. So for us to do that, we'll divide by the coefficient of t, which is log of 4. So make t subject. It will now be t equal to log of 40 all over log of 4. But 40 is equal to 8 times 5. Hence, t will then be equal to log of 8 times 5 all over log of 4. But let's remember that when we have log of a times b, this is the same as log of a plus log of b. So if we apply this to this equation here, we'll then be having t equal to log of 8 times 5 will then become log of 8 plus log of 5 all over log of 4. So this is the same as t equal to log of 8 over log of 4 plus log of 5 over log of 4. But also 8 is equal to 4 times 2. Hence, t is equal to, this 8 would now become log of 8. Okay, 4 times 2 all over log of 4 plus log of 5 all over log of 4. So we have t equal to log of 4 times 2 all over log of 4 plus log of 5 over log of 4. So this will then give us t equal to log of 4 plus log of 2 all over log of 4 plus log of 5 all over log of 4. So splitting these two, we then have t equal to log of 4 all over log of 4 plus log of 2 all over log of 2 plus log of 5 all over log of 4. Okay, this is log of 4. So t will then be log of 4 over log of 4. We have 1 plus log of 2 over log of 4 plus log of 5 over log of 4. But 4 can actually be written as 2 to the power of 2. So when we apply these 2 here, 2 to the power of 2 here, we then have t equal to 1 plus log of 2 over log of 2 to the power of 2 plus log of 5 all over log of 2 to the power of 2. So t will then be equal to 1 plus log of 2 all over 2 times log of 2 plus log of 5 all over 2 times log of 2. So t is equal to 1 plus this log of 2 cancel out log of 2. We now have 1 over 2 left, plus we can actually factor out 1 over 2 from here. We then have 1 over 2 times log of 5 all over log of 2. So t is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2. We have 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times log of 5 all over log of 2. So from here, let's remember, but recall that when we have log of A all over log of B, this will give us log to the base B of A. So we'll apply this rule. Over here. We'll then be having t equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times log to the base 2 of 5. So t will then be equal to 3 plus, so we are going to factor out these two to use it and divide both of them. We now have 3 plus log to the base 2 of 5 all over 2. So this is our t. Our t is equal to 3 plus log to the base 2 of 5 all over 2. But let's verify our answer. Remember, the question is 4 raised to the power of t equal to 40. 4 raised to the power of t equal to 40. And our t is equal to 3 plus log to the base 2 of 5 all over 2. So this is 4. Our t is 3 plus log to the base of 2 of 5 all over 2, all equal to 40. So this 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2, all raised to the power of 3 plus log to the base 2 of 5 all over 2, all equal to 40. So this 2 is raised to the power of this. So we can actually write this as 2. So these 2 cancel this 2. 2 to the power of 3 plus log to base 2 of 5 all over. Okay, these 2 cancel that 2, equal to 40. But when we have a raised to the power of m plus n, this is the same as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So if we should apply this over here, we'll then be having 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 raised to the power of log to the base 2 of 5, all equal to 40. But when we have a times log to the base of a of b, this is the same as what? B. So when we have 2 raised to the power log to the base 2 of 5 is equal to what? 5. So applying this particular rule over here, we then have 2 to the power of 3 times, when a times log to the base a of b equal to b, it means when we have 2 times log to the base 2 of 5, it will then give us 5, or equal to 40. And 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times 5 equal to 40. 8 times 5 is 40, or equal to 40. That means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence our t is correct. So t is equal to 3 plus log to the base 2 of 5 all over 2.